Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to come in here to show you the September kit, the subscription kit for this upcoming month. And I'm so excited about this theme. I try to include a unicorn theme at least once a year. And I love how this one turned out because we have a new little addition and it's these little dragons. So let me show you the full kit first. So we have the full boxes right here, and we got a really cute theme going on with the little dragons and unicorn onesie bean. We have some unicorn and dragon food. We have this little jacket that says bring the magic. And then the quote here says, be a seeker of everyday magic. So it's very magical. And then we have the checklists, bottom washi date covers, half boxes and labels, habits, and other stickers. And then we have the headers and littles and some other stickers right here. So let me, just to make sure I was in frame, let me just go over those pages real quick and you can see them all again. And then it also comes with a little deco sheet. So any variation of this kit that you get will come with a deco sheet. I do classic happy planner size and horizontal size. And I also, as of a few months ago, have been doing Hobo Nietzsche size. So so that was a 5-page kit. The Hobo Nietzsche is a 4-page kit, and it seriously has so many stickers, like enough to do at least 2 full spreads, which is why I make sure to include 2 date covers. I also know some people like the horizontal, some people like the vertical format, so that way you have both. And so yeah, it has so many stickers, this kit. You have the bottom washi here, but you also have this washi that you can pair 2 of them together and make a bottom washi. Plenty of checklists. I love these little dividers right here, the little sticky note boxes. Then you have some that you can use over in the notes section, which would be this page. Very cute. Habit trackers. And then you have more boxes here. These are like the ones that I use to write my meals. If you've seen my Hobo Nietzsche spreads, you have plenty of the little half and quarter boxes. And then all the scenes in these boxes right here, the little deco boxes. So plenty of stickers in the Hobo Nietzsche kit, which also comes with a little deco sheet. And okay, let's dive into the die cuts. So we have this little ice cream dragon. We have this little boba tea dragon and burger unicorn. This one didn't make it into the kit because I just drew more art that I can fit into it, but I just had to make it into a die cut. Then we have this cute little dragon. We have the jacket that says bring the magic. Little onesie unicorn bean with her dragon friend. A little unicorn donut, Bean with her other dragon friend, and then the couch scene where the 3 little dragons are trying to steal Bean's jar of cookies. I don't know why that happened, but as I was drawing this scene, it just kind of, I don't know, it just happened. So I just went with the flow, and I thought it turned out really cute. So there's that. And then I also have this journaling card. It says magic is something you make, and the words are hollow foil. And then it has this like forest scene, like just this like mystical forest scene in the background with a pastel gradient. So I just thought the hollow foil would look super cute with this. And I think the last thing in the kit is the sticky notes. So, oh my god, no, I almost forgot the washi, but anyway, let's do the sticky notes real quick. So it's got this grid pattern in the background, and then the little floral onesie bean with the dragon, and it says, hey there, super cute. You can use this for anything. You can use it to send someone a note. I use this one, or I've been using it lately when I write little notes and orders. I use it as reminders, to-do lists, like here's my hurricane prep list. So it's perfect for everything. And oh my god, I cannot believe that I almost forgot to show you guys the washi. So we have this pastel gradient background here, which matches all of our other pastel gradients. Like it actually matches this one perfectly. And then we have little onesie bean in the unicorn onesie, and then the dragon right here, and it just repeats along. So very, very cute. Let me show you the washi with the kit. Like, how perfect is that? So anyway, that is right here, the September kit. You get so much stuff for $20 if you're subscribed, because you save, oh my gosh, I can't do math now, 20 or 25%. I think it's 20% if you subscribe. So it comes out to $20 plus shipping, or if you buy the standalone box, it is $25 plus shipping. So the last day to subscribe is September 10th, or until it sells out. I think we're about 3/4 of the way sold out. So I will link it below, and make sure you sign up before September 10th to guarantee a spot, because we won't release this kit until sometime next year during our vault sale, probably like June next year. So, all right, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys love the September kit as much as I do. I will see y'all very soon. Bye!